Hello everyone, I am Aniket Gunde. Today I am going to talk about the slider assembly. Well, slider assembly is a part of our assembly module. Some of you are gone through it, some of you will be. Let's start with the concept of sliding motion and sliding friction. Start with the sliding motion. Sliding motion is a linear relative motion between two moving parts, or one part is stationary and other is moving. This causes to generate a friction between them, and this is called as a sliding friction. We can take a real-time example like when we rub our hands, heat get generated, or skating on snow. These are some example of sliding motion and the sliding friction. Now let's jump on our main topic, that is slider assembly. This is slider assembly. You will get to know this assembly in assembly module. This is the main part of our assembly, that is slider. This is the front view of our slider. And this is the front view of our bush in which our slider get assembled. Okay, here you can see this is the bush and this is the slider, and we get the sliding motion. But when I started to assemble this part, I get one question: why this slider has a flat surface on top and bottom, and here you can see this is totally circular. Okay, either we want a sliding motion or we want both sliding and rotating motion. So if we want both motion, why this is not in circular shape? Or if we want only sliding motion, then what exactly we can do to restrict it? When I started to assemble parts, I get the answer. Let's see how. First I assemble this bush into block, and then a slider into bush. Then I assemble this plate. Yeah, this one. So you can see this plate is assembled in such a way that the rotating motion get restricted. Yeah, this is the main purpose of this plate to assemble. So this is very basic, but I want to suggest you all, when you started to assemble or design a part, try to ask yourself question why, means why it is here, why it is so. So you will get some design, design point of view and vision to understand this assembly and parts. I hope you understand all the concept of slider assembly by watching this video. Thank you.